It looks like a 10-foot drop.
Oh! I'm going into a hole.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay, we can walk again.
Yeah.
And there's a big flowstone staircase. There's a water bottle on a stick.
Yeah.
It's got popcorn pockets in there. Yeah, that's so cool. The flowstone. The stair steps on this flowstone are awesome, right? It's so cool. Let's go see it this way. Okay guys, so apparently I wasn't recording. We just popped into this big room with all this glowstone on the wall. And then right over here we found a big gas pipe. We think that's maybe where the gasoline leaks out of the cave. We just cascade down this whole thing.